Hi guys, I am going to show you in this quick tutorial how to use macOS's Finder Quick Actions. So in this tutorial, first what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Shift Command 5 on my keyboard, and it is going to take a screenshot and capture the whole page. And there we go. Now I'm going to open up my Finder and I'm going to go down and I'm going to find my screenshot. Nope, not that one. There it is. Okay. So here's my screenshot. Now I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to come down to quick actions, and I can quickly rotate it left. I can do markup. I can create a PDF instantly, or I can convert the image from its current JPEG to a smaller version, medium, large, or PNG, I believe, and HEIC. So I'm going to actually use the markup tool. And you can see now it has opened up the page. And this comes in handy if you're trying to show me something that's wrong on the site or anything like that. So I can actually use the markup tool to write on it. I can circle things. So I can come over here. I can circle things. I can, let's say I want to write on it. There's my text. And then I can move it around, and then I can, let's say I want to point at something. Oops, not highlight it. Like that. I can do all kinds of markups. So basically I can even write a description. I can do all kinds of neat stuff. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually I'm going to crop this image to make it smaller. Although if you're ever sending this to me, you would definitely want to make sure that whatever you do, that you do include the URL so I can see the URL in it. And then I'm going to hit done. And now I've went ahead and I've marked up an image with my Mac using markup and quick tools. And that's it. So if you want to do that, you can actually save it afterwards. You can come back here. You can right click again and look at this. I can convert it because it's huge. I can make it smaller, medium, large, actual size. I can change it from a JPEG ping to an HEIF, sorry, not C. I can do whatever it is that I want to do so that I can use that image and preserve the metadata, and it will create a copy, and then I can resave it. And I could even go back and make it into a PDF there. So lots of cool things with macOS's Finder Quick Actions that I wish I would have known a long time ago, but love that I found them now. Thanks for watching, and to enjoy more shorts, subscribe to our channel, or if you have any questions or we can help you in any way, give us a shout or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.